Hi, this is Shelley Kraft. We're coming to you live on SNN Live. We're at Leonard Rosen's Pitbull Conference, the 28th National Hard Money Conference here in Las Vegas. I'm with AJ Poulin of Applied Business Software, Inc., themortgageoffice.com. AJ, welcome.
Hey, thanks for having me. I appreciate it.
It's good to have you. Tell us about Applied Business. So I know everybody knows it here, but for our audience.
Yeah, most people here know about it. A lot of people here use it. We make software for hard money lenders. The hard money lenders that use our software use it to manage loans, to run mortgage pools, and to manage the investor base. And that's the strength of our software. That's what most of our customers do.
That's got to be one of the tightest niches I've ever heard. But it's a large enough industry that needs that software, and they probably couldn't get it anywhere else. Am I correct?
Yeah, you're pretty much right. I mean, since most of the lenders have it, that have our software, what we find is that a lot of their investors are used to the statements and the reports that our system cranks out, along with the online access. They can check on their portfolio and things like that. And so they get real accustomed to our software. So a lot of people say that their investors won't even invest with them unless they have our software.
Well, the talk of this conference, basically, is the starting up of funds and pools.
Right.
So it sounds to me, and I know there's regulations that are going on in this crazy environment that's driving a lot more traffic than normal to you. Tell me about that.
Yeah, it's an interesting time. As everybody knows, the banks aren't lending, and if they are, it's to very, very high FICO, great borrowers, and that's not always the case in lending, you know. And so there's a niche. You know, there's a reason why they say that lending is the world's second oldest profession, because everybody always needs money, right? And so what our customers do is they lend to people that maybe don't qualify for a traditional loan or for a big commercial deal. And so in order to those monies to lend out, they have investors, and they use our software to manage all those investors. And it's a great time. I mean, I use the example of a customer that was here that I'd met in 05. Bought our software. They had a handful of loans. They have 250 loans now. And you know, that happens a lot. It actually happens a lot with our customers. We like it.
So now you have the website. You can go there. You can find out more about the software. Are there any other services that you do for some of these clients?
Yeah, you know, it's funny because a lot of times people just call us to pick our brain. We have customers in every state. We're in 13 countries. And so, for example, what happens a lot is sometimes when someone will call me and say, I got this deal in Florida, but I'm in Michigan. Do you know anybody in Florida that'll fund that deal, right? So we run a filter in our database. We have customers in every state. So we'll run up the area code, zip code, give them a list of our customers, put them in touch with them, and a lot of times people want to pay us a referral fee and things like that, and they offer, but it's not our thing. We just try to help people out, and hopefully if they need our software at some point, they'll call us.
So how can you really operate in a major way without having your software? I mean, I'm just playing devil's advocate.
No, you can't. You can't. I mean, if you're managing your investors and your portfolio with spreadsheets or index cards or something like that, I mean, if you were an investor, would you invest with them? No, right. So you'd want to make sure that everything's done properly, that the statements are nice, you know, the bulletproof accuracy, things like that. You really need that to run a serious business.
So growth, where does that come from?
Growth in our company or growth in our customers?
Growth in your company.
Oh, sure. Our company's actually been around since 1978. And I'm one of the new guys. I've been there only 12 years. And so we actually just hired 3 more people this year. We actually had a great year last year. We're going to beat it this year, which is remarkable given the economy and given the downturn. So we're really blessed, knock on wood here. So, and we don't see that changing. I mean, if we can do so well in this space, at this time, we feel like the sky's the limit as far as the economy turning around.
Why don't you give the website?
Yeah, sure. It's themortgageoffice.com, www.themortgageoffice.com.
Ladies and gentlemen, AJ Poulin, Applied Business Software, Inc. And we are at Leonard Rosen's Pitbull Conference. And by the way, you were on the panels, you were a speaker. I want to get that in.
Yeah.
What did you speak on, by the way? I want to just...
helping people grow their portfolios and grow their investor base. That's our thing.
Perfect. We are at the Pitbull Conference, the 28th National Hard Money Conference here in Las Vegas. AJ, thanks for coming.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.
Appreciate it.